At dahil binigyan mo kami ng time today, are you ready?
Yeah, I guess. Maybe.
Nag-prepare lang kami ng questions for you to answer. But ang catch ay may lie detector test.
Oh, okay.
Familiar ka ba sa lie detector? Or na-try mo na ba siya before?
Hindi pa. Yeah.
Wow,
Okay.
nagtaga.
Ito ang maganda, di pa niya natatry. So, gusto natin ngayong araw na to
Ang goal natin.
ay, yes, makuryente si Lee.
Oo.
Yeah.
So pag
Does it
nag-lie
hurt?
ka,
Oo.
makukuryente
Oo.
ka.
Tapos, connected yan sa upuan.
Ay,
Ganon. So, buong katawan. Ganon, char.
Oo.
Hindi, joke lang.
first question.
Okay, ready? First question.
You were born September 24, 2001. Tama ba to?
Yes.
Okay, tama yan.
Okay.
Ayan! So, Libras born on this day are said to be indecisive yet charming. Yes, charming.
Mhm.
Ganon ka ba? Yes or no?
Yes. Super indecisive ako.
Oh.
Okay, malalaman natin ang sagot.
Oo. Oo. Okay.
Di ba? Na-feel mo sa chair?
So true. Actually, I felt something.
Yeah. So, indecisive ka nga.
Hindi, mali nga eh.
Ano ba sagot niya? Yes.
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 Ah,
I guess,
so hindi.
hindi.
Ano yung mga instances na hirap-hirap ka mag-decide?
Like, the big life decisions na, like, my mom's been pressuring me to buy a condo, so something like that. I have
Mm-mm.
trouble on deciding if I want to buy a condo or if I want to buy a car. So, siguro sa big purchases.
Ay.
Ganun.
Big.
Ako na magde-decide.
Okay, next.
Question number 2.
Do I put my hand in first?
Yes.
Okay.
Napagalitan ka na ba ever ng coach?
Coach? Yes.
Ay, gusto ko tong tanong na to.
Bakit?
Later. Nalalaman natin kung ano muna yung sagot.
Para lahat naman tayo.
Oo. Hindi
Yeah.
kasi Lee iba.
Ah,
Galing siya sa ibang
culture.
Ayan,
Oh
oh.
my God.
Ito, sinungaling tong batang to.
Actually,
Dalawa na siya.
Dalawa na siya.
Magkasunod.
I'm a good person. I never get in trouble.
Or baka naman yung galit lang, like, pinagsabihan ka lang.
Oo.
Like, malito, ganyan. Pero hindi yung, wala ka pang experience na sinigawan ka.
Hindi naman.
Wala
No,
pa.
I think my coaches have been chill. But I remember one time in college, it was maybe the first month, and they said no headphones during warm-up. Tapos nag-wear ako ng headphones. And it was just like serve and pass practice lang. So I thought it wasn't warm-up. So then the coach got angry at me and didn't say it to me in the moment. He said it to me after, in front of everyone, and was just like... he was
As in
just getting
sigaw?
Hindi naman. He was like... I think actually, because I was a rookie then. So he was listing all the mistakes that all the rookies did, and it was part of the list. And then our captains kind of told us, like, you guys did this wrong, this wrong, this wrong, and you guys are terrible rookies. So, yeah, it was just like a long list of things that we all did wrong, and then we got in trouble for it. So,
Very different sa coach natin ngayon.
Yeah.
Would you say?
yeah.
Kay
Coach is
siya?
super,
chill
super
ni coach
nonchalant.
diba?
Yeah, super, siya.
Wala nga reaction si coach.
Yeah. He tells you if you did something wrong, and then that's it. Move on.
Hindi, na-curious ako kasi si Lee, super chill lang siyang player. And wala ka ring reaction. Like, ikaw din yung type ng player na sumusunod ka lang sa coach or kaya sa mga ates mo, ganyan. So, naano lang ako, if ever napagalitan si Lee, iiyak ka ba or ma-hurt ka, ganyan. Parang hindi ko kasi nakikita sa'yo yung type ng person na
Nagdadamdam.
magdadamdam. Oo. Yung sobra kang malulungkot kapag nagalit.
I think I try and hide it, maybe. But, like, I definitely feel it sometimes. Or, like, maybe when I reflect on it, I'm like, I need to do better. Diba?
Taray, good at hiding.
Yes.
Good at
I think,
disguising.
oo. Parang hindi ko nakikita pa si Lee ng sobra siyang malungkot, sobra siyang masaya. Ano ka lang, neutral lang yung personality mo. So, next question.
Canada over Manila.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Okay lang, it's okay. Siya naman
I would say no.
No.
Really?
Wow. Okay, sige. Malalaman natin
sige.
bago tayo mag-react.
Mukhang pangatlo to. Joke.
Not
Ay, nako.
Ay.
nice.
Tatlo na to, guys.
Hindi, pero
0 for 3.
hindi ko
Oo.
in-expect yung answer niya na
Na gusto mo na.
mas gusto mo dito.
I think I like the weather. Kasi sa Canada, it's cold in the winters, like super cold. You guys
Mhm.
experience
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So I like that it's always summertime here, and I love summer. So I think that's why I like it here. But I don't like the traffic. Yun lang.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
I think nobody loves
Likes
the traffic here.
Oo.
Yeah.
Wala kasing traffic sa Canada eh. Wala nga tayong kasabay sa
O,
biyahe, di ba?
10 p.m. wala nang tao sa daan.
Oo,
Or baka
yeah.
napuntahan lang natin.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Sa
it was-
Toronto.
Or ganun din ba sa
Toronto.
place mo?
No, sa Toronto, there's traffic then, but it's not as bad as here.
Okay, kahit napinili mo ang Manila, ano yung mga na-miss mo naman sa Canada?
Siguro yung friends ko.
Oh.
Yeah, my friends, my family, and the other seasons besides summer. I mean, besides, I don't like winter. That's the only thing I don't like. But I miss like fall, spring, summer.
At saka
with friends.
na-remember ko one time, si Lee, di ba, nung sobrang sad niya kasi homesick siya.
Oo, yeah. Yung first week niya sa amin, umiiyak siya. Ay, hindi pala, joke. First season na
Yeah,
ano.
first
First
yeah,
season.
oo.
Nag-crave siya ng human touch.
Oo.
Physical touch.
Hugs.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero okay ka na ngayon.
Yeah, it's
Sana.
gotten better. Yeah. Better every conference, every season. I'm getting used to, I think, not seeing them as much, but I still try and get in contact through FaceTime,
Mm-mm,
photos, and like video calls.
Knowing now kung paano ang players in the Philippines, dahil nakita mo na, mas gusto mo bang maging spiker ulit?
No.
Malalaman natin kung gusto ka niyang agawan ng pwesto.
Okay lang. Nakakapagod na. Joke lang. Bida-bida ka nga pumalo eh.
Oo, tsaka taas na reach siya, di ba?
Ay,
Guys,
Sabi ko na nga ba,
0 for
Alaysa
4.
Valdez, watch out.
Ate Lai.
alay
Oo.
na. Alay na.
Wala pang ano,
Oo,
wala
wala.
pang honest answer
Oo.
si Lee.
Kawawa ka ng kamay mo.
Feeling ko
Hindi naman
pawis
basa.
yung kamay
Ay, hindi,
niya.
basa nga.
Basa.
Oo, basa. Oo,
Hindi ka-
Oo, basa. Kaya,
Feeling ko at the end of the questions, immune na siya dun sa
Oo.
pain.
Pagkatapos nga, ganun na siya.
Oo.
Bye, guys.
Hindi,
Ganun na
pero
siya.
sa-
Matik na yung babay
Oo.
niya.
Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, spiker libero sa Canada, right?
Dito lang, actually.
Ay,
So,
Sa Canada, I was libero since since I was like 15. So actually, I didn't train as a spiker except for siguro sa beach lang. I was playing beach until maybe 17 years old, and then when I went to college and like later the latter part of my club career, I was just a libero, so I wasn't really training as a spiker at all. And then I joined the draft, and my mom's like, "Oh, why don't you just try being an open spiker?" I was like, "Okay, sure, why not?" So I can show all my skills, diba? And they were looking for. I just wanted to show that I could serve. I can block a little bit. I can spike and do everything. So that's why I kind of wanted to join the draft as an open spiker / libero. So yeah, I guess it worked out in my favor because Creamline was looking for an all-around player at that time. So
yung trivia, sobrang sakit ng
Serve.
Oo, ng serve ni Aliyah. Talaga.
ang lakas.
Di ba?
talaga.
Oo, ang sakit.
Kaya okay
Ang sakit.
na, maglibero ka na lang.
Oo. Mahirap pa maging isang Creamline player knowing maraming mata nakatingin sa'yo in and outside the court.
I would say yes, it's hard.
Pag no, kabog siya. Pag no. Pero feeling ko yes. Parang lahat naman tayo. Yes ang sagot.
Mm-mm.
Ay, naku.
It's easy, super easy being
Oo.
Creamline Cool Smash.
Walang expectations. Oh my God.
Sili lang to.
Oo.
Pero, bakit?
Well, syempre, there's a lot of pressure or expectations on the team being such a winning team. And with that, it comes a lot of fans, also bashers. So there's always...
Bashers?
Careful.
Are you sure? Parang wala.
Actually, wala.
Oo.
No, because there's always people talking. There's people that think they know what they're talking about, have their
Yeah.
opinions, and sometimes you just have to see it as like they don't really know what we go through and how to play the sport at such a high level. So I think we just need to take it with a grain of salt and not actually let it affect us. I think it was good when Ate Lai was kind of telling me beforehand, like, oh, there's gonna be lots of bashers, lots of people that love you, but lots of people that also are not looking forward to your downfall. So even Sir Alan said, you just have to not pay attention to them.
Stay strong. So, magsasabi kami ng name ng player. Tapos, sasagutin mo kung funny ba sila or hindi.
Okay, go.
Okay, number 1. Pangs Panaga.
Yes.
Okay. Malalaman natin, Pangs.
Guys.
Pangs, kung nandito ka, manood ka.
Ay!
Wow! Oo. Well, totoo yun, guys.
Yes.
Feeling ko kahit yung mga nanonood, alam na alam nila na nakakatawa si Pang.
I think her dancing. Gosh, what happened recently? We were doing an exercise. You're supposed to lift up your hand.
Windmill?
No, yung walking.
Okay.
And then you're supposed to put your arm to your ear. Ganito dapat. And so it was out here for Ate Pangs. And then she went like this.
Para dumikat. Diba? Effortless yung magpatawa si Pang.
Oo.
Minsan di niya alam na nakakatawa siya.
Yeah.
Hindi siya bamabanat, pero yung galaw niya,
Oo.
yung nakakatawa.
Okay, isa pa. Next person.
Oo, eto. Si Lori.
Lori. No.
Okay.
Please. No. Yes. I would say yes. She's super
Yeah.
funny.
Oo. Hindi ko ina-expect si Lori.
Ako din.
Pero tingnan natin
Medyo
to.
late na kasi lumabas yung ugali
Wala.
niya.
Oo, dati
I thought she was
hindi.
always like that.
Hindi. Shy type siya.
Really?
Super. Ay.
Ay, oh my God. Di ka natatawa kay Lo.
Hindi. Joke lang. No, she's so funny. I laugh all the time at her.
Oo.
At her and with her.
Hindi totoo, di ba? Ang
Sobrang
saya
Becky
kasama.
niya kasi.
Oo.
Mag-ano.
Like the girliest girl,
Oo.
the tomboy.
Oo.
Of the tomboy.
Of the
The girliest of the tomboys.
Ay, yes.
Of
Oo.
everyone, actually.
Do you think you can survive living in an island with this person? So, una, Ella De Jesus.
Survive?
Mag-ingat ka sa sagot mo. Nandito lang ako.
Galing magluto yan. Sige.
Really? Okay, then yes.
Okay. Mabubuhay ka.
Napilitan!
And then, yes.
At saka may coach dyan, sabihin mo.
Ay.
Sabi ko na. Hindi kasi tao sa puso yung ano niya.
Okay.
Okay, sige, yes.
Yes.
Bakit? Feeling mo ba? Wala akong may tutunan.
No, I really don't know. I feel like having you around, but I don't know if we'd survive.
Ito pa, may isa pang tao. Coach
Sherwin.
Sherwin.
Ooh. No.
No.
Okay. Coach siya. Hindi, ikaw lang may test. Huwag mo ibabalik.
Tingin mo, ate. Kaya mo?
Okay. Bakit ako
Hindi.
tinatanong mo?
Oo.
Hindi ba?
It's a lie.
Wow.
Gusto mo siya makasama.
Sabi ko na favorite mo si Coach eh. Bakit no?
I don't know. I feel like we wouldn't really have much to talk about. Maybe I just go crazy.
Pero feeling ko naman si Coach kung survival.
Oo, feeling ko kaya.
Yeah. I think he's good at fishing, di ba?
Ay, oo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tsaka gagawa siya ng apoy. Taray. Boy Scout si Coach. Ayan,
Okay,
okay.
next. May kaba ka bang nararamdaman pag sinasabihan ka na magkamukha kayo ni Ate MG?
Wow. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Ay, pero oo, alam mo nung una, parang iniisip ko pa, pero nung nagdikit sila, same kayo kasi ng feature
Structure.
ng face. And sa eyes, ay actually yung
Tsaka lagi silang fresh.
Oo.
Si Ate MG para lagi
Ito
naka-makeup
kasi yung bagong Satosan no?
Ay,
I'm not nervous.
sabi ko na nga ba. Grabe yung stroke ni Lino.
Oo, grabe.
No,
Ate
I think
MG.
Ate MG is the queen, beauty queens, and there's a lot of hype to look as good as her. So
Kaya pala. Lagi siya talaga. Well,
Always
Lee, parang
fresh.
sa training 6 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
Talagang, Lee, bakit parang super fresh ka? Nag-makeup ka ba? sasabihin niya, well, ganun lang siya.
Kasi siya nga yung bagong Sato sa atin.
Oo.
Diba?
Na
Yung si
laging
Sato
fresh.
kahit, simpleng makeup lang. Parang kala mo, naka-full na siya. Full glam na. Kanina nga sa shoot namin, pack na pack ang mga pisngi. Tapos, tayo ang mga matatanda. Ang gugulo na hair, ganyan. So, na-amaze lang ako kasi yung mga bata ngayon galing mag-makeup.
It's the TikTok, I think. TikTok University. Just learn everything.
May tutorial doon?
Yeah, there's lots of, you can learn a lot on TikTok.
Tinay ko na parang naging clown ako, B.
Hindi naman, ate, you don't even need makeup.
Ay.
Wow. Siyempre, podcast mo to.
Oo, syempre. Okay. Pero maniniwala ko. So, anong nafe-feel mo na sinasabi ng mga tao? Na kamukha ka ni Ate MG, ganyan. And may gusto ka bang sabihin sa kanya?
I think it's an honor.
Oh.
Everyone says that she looks beautiful and fresh all the time. So
Yeah.
I take it as a compliment. And the Ate MG, watch out. Charis!
Ako na
Sino
bagong
ang kalaban?
Ako ang bagong beauty
Yeah.
queen.
Yes.
Grabe! Nabitin na naman tayo sa kwento ngayon. Kung gusto mo pa ng dagdag kwento, huwag mag-alala. Pag may time, kita tayo ulit sa susunod na episode. Grab a spot. Relax lang. At makitambay sa kwentuhan namin. Walang pressure. Chill lang. Follow us on YouTube, Spotify, at Apple Podcasts para mapakinggan ang buong episodes ng Ang Podcast ng Mga May Time.
Huge thanks to Bagong Pilipinas Studios, our official studio partner.